Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Photos the default Photos app. So to make some application the default application, you need to go to the settings. I check it on stock Android, right here I have Pixel 8. I check it also on Realme, OPPO and Samsung. It's the same. You need to find apps. It depends of the phone when you have it, where you have it. So I have it at the beginning. You may have it at the bottom. Maybe you need to scroll down or the middle. So when you enter to the apps, you need to find default apps line. Tap at this line, and right here, as you can see, we have no gallery application. So we cannot set any application like a default one. On Pixel 8, on the stock Android, you have it by default, but let's say on Realme you have your gallery application, the same with the Samsung and OPPO. And that's it. Also, you cannot set Google Photos like default app on the iPhone, because on the iPhone we cannot even change default apps. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.